Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unsubscribe from Saks Fifth Avenue emails. If you don't have a Saks Fifth Avenue account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Profile. On this page, you will see a section for email preferences. Under Email Preferences is an option for Edit. Click on Edit. To unsubscribe, click on the tick box beside Saks Fifth Avenue. Lastly, click on the Save button. And now you'll no longer receive emails from Saks Fifth Avenue, unless you turn it on again. That's how you unsubscribe from Saks Fifth Avenue emails. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.